Hello students, let us continue exercise 10a, profit and loss. Now we discuss question number 5. Robin purchased an old car rupees 73,500. He spent rupees 10,300 on repairs and paid rupees 2,600 for its insurance. Then he sold it to a mechanic for rupees 84,240. What was his percentage gain or loss? Now, Robin purchased an old car equal to rupees 73,500. He spent on its repair equal to rupees 10,300 and its insurance rupees 2,600. So we write total effective cost price of a car. We add 3 value, that is rupees 86,400. This is your total effective cost price of an car. Now he sell 84,240 to the mechanic. So selling price less than total effective cost price. So Robin get loss, and the formula of loss is total effective cost price minus selling price. Rupees 86,400 minus 84,240, and that is subtraction 2,160. Now loss percent, loss multiply 100 upon total effective cost price. Loss 2,160 multiply 100 upon 86,400. This is your total effective cost price. 2020 cancel out. Now 8 1 ja 8, 8 0 0, 8 8 ja 64, 8 2 ja 16, 21 minus 16 5, 5 6 56, 8 7 ja 56, 8 0 0. Now 9 1 ja 9, 9 2 ja 18, 9 3 ja 27, 9 0 0, 6 2 ja 12, 6 5 ja 30. Your calculation 5.2%. So we write 2.5%. Now question number 6, 7, 9, 10, 11. Do yourself. Same as process. Well, now we discuss question number 8. If the selling price of 16 water bottles is equal to the cost price of 17 water bottles, find the gain percent earned by the dealer. Given selling price of 16 bottles equal to cost price of 17 bottles equal to rupees 1 lakh. So we write selling price of 1 water bottle is equal to rupees 1 upon 16. Selling price of 16 bottle equal to rupees 1. Selling price of 1 water bottle 1 upon 16. Similarly, cost price of 17 bottle equal to rupees 1. So cost price of 1 bottle equal to 1 upon 17. Since selling price is greater than cost price, so we get profit. Profit equal to SP minus CP. Rupees 116 minus rupees 1 upon 16 minus rupees 1 upon 17. Take LCM 272. 272 divided by 16, we get 17. 17 1 is 17 minus 272 divided by 16, we get 17 divided by 17, we get 16. 16 1 is 16. 17 minus 16, 1 upon 272. Now profit percent, profit multiply 100 upon CP. Profit 1 upon 272 multiply 100 upon CP. CP is 1 upon 17. So we write 1 upon 17. Now 1 upon 272 as it is, multiply reciprocal of 1 upon 17 is 17 upon 1 multiply 100. Now calculate this value. 17 1 is 17, 17 1 is 17, 17 6 is 100, 17 6 is 102, 4 25 is 100, 4 4 is 16. That is 25 upon 4%. Hence profit percent equal to 6 1 upon 4%. Now question number. These question repeat in exercise 9a. These are exercise of 9a. We have already done these question 12 and 13. Exercise 9a. And do question number 9 same as question number 8. Do yourself. Now we discuss question number 10. By selling 130 cassette, a man gets an amount equal to selling price of 5 cassette. Find the gain percent. Given profit equal to selling price of 5 cassettes. We know that the selling price equal to cost price plus profit. So we write this statement in the form of selling price of 130 cassette is equal to cost price of 130 cassette plus profit. Profit is selling price of 5 cassette. This is your required condition. Again repeat, this is your formula, and we write this formula in the form of selling price of 130 cassette is equal to cost price of 130 cassette plus my profit. Profit is selling price of 5 cassette. Now transpose of this value to the left hand side, change with its sign, that is minus. Minus selling price of 5 cassette. So we write selling price of 130 cassette minus selling price of 5 cassette is equal to cost price of 125 cassette, that is selling price of 125 cassette equal to selling cost price of 130 cassette. Let it be 1 rupees. Say selling price of 125 cassette equal to rupee 1, selling price of 1 cassette equal to rupees 1 upon 125, and cost price of 130 cassette equal to rupee 1. Cost price of 1 cassette is less, so less mean divide, we write 1 upon 130. Now this value is greater than this value, so selling price is greater than cost price. So we write selling price greater than cost price, we get profit. Profit equal to SP minus CP. Value of SP is 1 upon 125 minus 1 upon 130. Take LCM and this is your calculation. Profit equal to rupees 1 upon 3250. Profit percent equal to profit multiply 100 upon CP, that is percent. Now 1 upon 3250 multiply 100 upon my CP is 1 upon 130. 1 upon 130. Now we write 1 upon 3250 multiply 100 and reciprocal of 1 upon 30, that is 130 upon 1, and their calculation is 4%. This is your required profit percent, that is 4%. Now do exercise 10a, question number 1 to 15 in your fair notebook. Thank you.